Hey y'all, it's Charity. I'm coming today to kind of just document what I'm doing. I am attempting to create a quick all over shirt. So we'll see how that goes. And I got some fuzz or something on my thing. So this is my setup. I have like a bar stool kind of sitting this up. This is my first time doing this on like on this setup. I used to have this on my son's floor, but now that he's kind of like a big boy, that really won't work. I was thinking about, I had an option of, if you can see this shirt, how I kind of like chopped the sleeves off. I was thinking about doing that, and I probably will. It doesn't matter right now. So I have all of my sheets of blowout paper laid out, right? Basically, so I'm gonna, again, this is going to waste a lot of paper, kind of. Or maybe I need to get some bigger blowout paper, like some butcher paper or something. But I'm going to put this down. Okay. I'm tripping. Because I'm just going to, let's see. I really hadn't thought this out. And I didn't use the technique that I usually did. I just changed, I guess, my print settings. Yeah, I changed my print settings. So I'm really unsure if this will work like I want it to, but I am very hopeful. Right now I'm trying to basically stabilize what I'm doing, and this could be very much a waste of time and doing work in vain as far as trying to make sure things are in place. I literally have no idea where my heat tape is, and this shirt is for my mom, so any errors, she'll love me anyway. But I basically just want to kind of keep things, I don't know, my concern is more so the shirt and it moving. So maybe we'll do this. I'll tape down what's not going to hit the press initially. I'll try to tape that. Let's move this. Tape that down, because really the sleeves are probably, yeah. And you have to make sure you get everything flat. You will be able to see where exactly you didn't press. Well, actually, it depends on your paper. I am using Craft and Bestie's paper. So, as of right now, I'm going to go ahead and put it down for our first, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put it down for our first, dang, and I'm honestly not sure if I can. Woo. I didn't, like, do a pressure test or anything. Which I don't typically do, but I'm trying to be better. I'm looking for like a marker or something to kind of mark off exactly where my pressing has stopped. To hopefully slide it down. I'm not sure how this is gonna go, but the best thing you can do is just go for it. Do it afraid, do it unsure, and just see. And I wanted to show you guys this now because it's possible that you may see something that I'm doing in my thought process and, you know, find a way to make it better. So hopefully this helps. I have about 90 more seconds. I also had a giveaway scheduled for Friday, but I don't have any participation. So I'll wait until you guys get more engaged. Like, if I even had one person participate in the giveaway, then it would be cool. But since, like, what's today? It's Thursday. Tomorrow's Juneteenth, Friday. That is when I was going to announce it. But since no one participated, which means you guys don't watch my videos in totality, so I'll just try again with the giveaway another time. I highly doubt I'll see a comment by tomorrow on that particular video. But if I do, you know, you're in the door. You won. You win. Basically. I would also like to say thank you to my new subscribers. I truly appreciate your feedback because it makes it worth it for me. Like, you just kind of blindly putting things out into the world, hoping that it's helpful. And it's good to hear sometimes. Okay, you see all that movement? That's why you pretty much have to try to stabilize. I can't really tell yet what actually did get pressed. I see this little line. So I'm going to, and I said I was getting a marker or something. I'm not sure a marker won't bleed through. And we'll just see. Cause I guess like right around here. I want to peek, but I'm gonna say right. Kind of just doing that for me to know what I'm doing. I really don't know what to do now. So maybe, let's see how this moves. If everything can move as a unit, let me move this paper away. I would be so super happy. Oh, it kind of is. It kind of is. Again, try to move the under. Not necessarily the shirt itself. Now up to this point, there is going to be a little overlap. Let's see. It will be a little overlap. Let's see. And again, you can kind of see the indentation. So I'm actually going to move it back this way, just a tinch. Because I think it's almost perfect, honestly. Look, and I'm about to mess up and have future presses all out of whack. I'm going to try to make sure I know what I know, what I think I know, by, let me see. Oh, duh, this is, I was about to say, this is all looking pressed, which it should. So right around here is basically where things start. I'm not sure what to say. I would mess with my sleeves, but I'm not. I will probably just add some 90s style clip art. it's gonna overlap. Just not sure if I want to try to pull this out. So we'll see, fingers crossed, yada yada. I'm going to turn this off until I'm done. Oh no, I'm not. It's only like 1 minute and 30 seconds. So if you guys are curious, I guess you would watch, but we can take a, well, maybe I'll do one big reveal. I'm so excited. This also will show you where your heat press is uneven. What could that be though? No, my mom is still a go. I'm not mad. This is where I connected them and you can't see it, which is a major key. Let me tell you about that. That's a major key in trying to do an all over t-shirt with a regular style or sized what do you call it? What do you call it? With a normal size, first of all, heat press, this little baby heat press, and a printing, you know, a machine that doesn't print large scale. And when I mean large scale, like feet, not just 13 by 19, but something substantially larger, basically. This isn't an all over shirt, but it is majority. I'm happy with what I see though. I just really quickly hooked this up for my mom. There is okay, let me give you a little game. There is a way in Photoshop that you can make things tiled, print tiled, and for particular size shirts it will work. This is a women's large, but for like anything under, I think that size, you should be able to use 2 sheets of 13 by 9 and cover your entire garment, because you're not missing much, if you can see. All right, y'all, moment of truth. Hopefully there's no space. Ooh, that's a big deal too. Ooh. I'll let things kind of cool off. Oh, one thing I didn't mention, you have to make this super flat. I didn't. You can also bring like an iron or something. Let me make sure I'm recording because I don't want to miss the reveal. That would really suck. Okay, you guys are here, so be sure to literally get rid of all of this paper. I sometimes use it like for just regular printing or whatever, but don't use that paper. Ooh, I stepped on something. Ouch. Oh. Okay, so moment of truth. I'm gonna move you guys a little bit, I guess, so you can see the whole thing. Let's see if that worked. Sorry y'all, this little stand is finicky. I'm not complaining, but it is. Okay. Oh, we got a lot of folded. Okay. I'm not super mad. I just have a super not so hot heat press. Oh man, this would have been so cute. So yeah, I had maybe some heat issues. Like literally a lot of things could have gone wrong. Like right here, this, that. I'm gonna see, can I even use this or turn this into something else? That's too much. I was thinking I could chop it here, sew it onto something, but you know what? I'm not mad at it, honestly. I don't know if you guys can tell. There is some extra unnecessary stuff. But I still don't know. I don't know. I should have taken more time. It's cool. It's my fault. I did hit that overlap. Okay. Can we just take some time to appreciate the work of art that is LL on this shirt? Let me see. Dang. Okay, looking at it from you guys' view, it is very off. There's a obvious line of demarcation. It does look vintage up top. But yeah. So this is me. I'll be testing out this new thing, but I do think this might be a major key. That my original idea was to just, I guess I'll let you know since you're here, to press and then just slide this whole little area down under in this, hold on, in this little area. But you know, woo, I caught it. You guys are almost on the floor. But anyway, ColourPop ink as usual. This is the goods. This is the goods. I won't say soon, but this, I guess you could just call a preview to what I'm going to try to do. I guarantee I'm going to master this for you guys to show you. I know the technique, but and in this instance, the technique wasn't terrible. It's really just my press. So I guess I can show you guys the techniques and you guys can do your own thing. I don't know if I really want to do actual spray paint or something up here. I'm not sure. But all right, y'all, I'll show y'all the final results. Peace out.